A cat is drinking cold coffee in a restaurant. Look how it created in real time. What if you could turn any text into a stunning image or video in seconds? Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. In this video, I'm going to reveal a secret and new AI tool that can do exactly that, and show you how you can use it to create viral content that will wow your viewers. But before we dive in, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my awesome videos. Search to cohere.ai. Now click on the website. You can see this interface. The best thing is that no credit card is required. Now click on the Start Free Trial. Now sign up with your Google account. Now you can see this dashboard. Here you can type anything and it creates images in real time while you type. Let me show you some examples. A cat is drinking cold coffee in a restaurant. Look how it created in real time, and not only one but many. And the amazing thing is you can create video with it. Now I add neon lights, it creates it instantly. You can create images and videos in different ratio. And you can also customize the camera movement. And the amazing thing is you can create video with it. Here you can see this video option, just click on it. And look, it is creating. Our video is ready. Look how cool it is. Let's create something different. A man in black robe smoking. Look, it created many images. You can also create cartoon animated images and videos. Let me show you. Let's create something else. Elon Musk in Iron Man suit. It's really amazing. Explore this AI tool for sure. Definitely you will love it. For more videos, subscribe to this channel to grow yourself with AI.